John chapter 11 from verse 15 to verse 18. After Jesus and him follower them reach Jerusalem, him go in a God house and start fling out all of the people them where they in there and buy and sell. The people them where they change out money, Jesus pitch over for them table and turn over the chair for all who did there and sell dove. And he wouldn't make nobody carry goods going at the yard where God house them. After this, he start teach the people them. Him say, it no write down in a God word say, for me house, I go be one house where people from all over the world come for pray. But unu take it, turn one hideout for thief. The head priest and the law teacher them hear what Jesus say, and they start look for one way for kill him. Cause them did afraid of him. Cause him did a teach so good, it did shock the whole crowd of people. Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.